Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Monero using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen you see the receive, buy icons. So you can either buy or receive Monero on Trust Wallet, then tap on the one that you are interested in. At the search bar, just type in Monero. And here is Monero token, and when you tap on it, it's going to generate for you your QR code, and with this QR code you can receive Monero in your Trust Wallet. Or you can just tap on copy, and it's going to copy your address, and you can use that to receive Monero. The second option, the set amount option, is a very good feature for set amount of transactions. For example, with this 45, it's going to generate you a new QR code, and with this QR code you can only receive this set amount of Monero coins, which is a very good feature for transactions or payments. And obviously with the third icon, with the share icon, you can share your QR code on social media. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone 13 and see you in the next one. Bye.